Hi friends, welcome back to Mary Kelly. Thank you so much for stopping by. So on this channel we do hair care as well as skin care. So today we are going to be doing another DIY for our hair. I am going to show you how to make this rosemary and argan hair growth oil, which is very easy to make, and I love that it's very clear and it's not staining. So I've chosen argan oil because it moisturizes and conditions the hair very well, and it prevents hair breakage. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are really beneficial for the scalp. It also protects against styling, coloring, and sun damage. Argan oil has also been shown to improve hair growth because of its high vitamin E content. Vitamin D plays a role in the creation of new hair follicles, and this is going to help to thicken the hair up and prevent existing hair from falling out prematurely. And then we've got our star ingredient, which is rosemary essential oil. This oil has anti-inflammatory properties and it promotes nerve growth and it helps to improve circulation onto the scalp, making sure there is enough blood supply on each hair follicle. Rosemary oil is also used to prevent premature graying and dandruff, and it also helps to relieve an itchy scalp. I hope you've made it this far because our oil is ready to be bottled up and to be used. So you can use this oil 2 to 3 times a week. Just massage it gently onto the scalp and do not wash the oil out. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.